Turn on the main switch. Once the power is on, the machine would start in standby mode where the first two buttons would both be lit. Note that the button with the power symbol isn't an on/off button. In standby mode, the screen would show the words wait operation. To open the top door, press the child lock button for around 3 seconds until there is a sound, then lift the top door. The machine will automatically lock itself when the top door is closed. To go into compost mode, press the button with the leaf symbol, henceforth referred to as the compost mode button, for roughly 3 seconds until a sound is heard. In composting mode, only the compost mode button would stay lit. The screen would change to show the words culture in. To stop composting operations, simply do the same as before and press the compost mode button for roughly 3 seconds until a sound is heard. To activate dehydrate mode, press the button with the power symbol, henceforth referred to as the dehydrate mode button, for roughly 3 seconds until the sound is heard. In dehydrate mode, only the dehydrate mode button would stay lit. The screen would change to show the words working. To exit dehydrate mode, press the dehydrate mode button for roughly 3 seconds until a sound is heard. To activate the child lock function, press both the child lock button and the compost mode button at the same time for about 3 seconds until a is heard. Once child lock is activated, the machine would be unresponsive to usual button operations, thus preventing the machine from responding to accidental button presses from children and/or pets. Child lock can be activated during any of the modes. To exit child lock mode, press both the child lock button and the compost mode button at the same time for about 3 seconds until is heard.